formation, especially this early in the season. Yeah, it looks like it wants a storm, doesn't it? But nothing, absolutely nothing. Even this low-hanging stuff over here. Weird. Really, really weird.
No social media and no texting for 2 weeks.
I'm doing pretty good, but 2 weeks is going to be a long time.
Can they do it? Can your family do it? Follow along.
This is when the snow begins. Let's see, it's what is that? 8, almost 8:30. It's more of a mixture of wind-blown rain / sleet right now because it's just about 35 degrees.
So do see in the doorway. Look at that.
Snowing a little bit. Come on, go with Mom. Have a good day. Have a good Thursday, okay? Well, you can tell right around the trees here in the grass, beginning to accumulate a little bit. I have no idea what I'm watching here. Sound like high-end porn. I don't know. Let's go into talk now here. I'm on the YouNow app, which usually likes to crash for some darn reason. I'll type in S-N-O-W. Snow. That kind of music most of the time annoys me. And there I am on the camera. Okay, camera and a camera. Let me flip the camera over here and show up outside. Okay, yeah. See how long this connection lasts? Usually about a minute or so, because I'm on a 3G. Right there through Cricket. Right there, it isn't the best provider, but it does okay when you're in a good area. And we'll see how this snow goes, and I'll run the camera on the way back through. Hopefully we won't see any accidents or even be in one. So, cross your fingers!
That call somewhere.
So this guy from, did you all see Wolf of Wall Street?
Yes.
I love that movie.
Wolf of Wall Street?
I love that movie. I found it immensely entertaining.
I thought it was the Wolf of Wall Street, not Wolf of Wall Street.
Portrayed in the film.
Go figure.
One of the guys portrayed in the film is suing the makers of the movie and people affiliated with the film because he didn't like the way he was portrayed in the movie.
Alright, a few hours later, it's just around 3 o'clock. 43 degrees out. Remember all that snow that was going on a few hours ago? Well, it's gone, it's melted. Except for a little bit in the neighbor's yard. And this little brat still thinks he can go outside and play because it's warm out. So it's not that warm. It's still windy and cold. Big brat, you big brat. You being a brat again? It's just a camera. Okay? Big boy. It's okay, it's okay. Maybe you can go outside tomorrow, okay? It's just too cold and windy right now. Uh-oh. Jeffrey, he's doing something he knows he's not supposed to do. took the entire package of cookies. There's only what? There's only 4 cookies left. 2, 3,
No.
3,
No.
4.
I say bye-bye count.
I see 6.
No, can't see 6. No, can't see it.
1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 in your hand.
3.
You got 6 cookies, man. You're a little cookie monster.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cookies here. And
3, 2, 1,
and
0.
2 in your hand.
And a 0 no my hand.
4 plus 2 is what?
Oh, 4 is
6.
4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 4.
In the trash can, in the trash can. No. Mine.
Put that cookies up there.
Oh, look. What's this? We still have Girl Scout Thin Mints in here. How long have these been in here?
Up to the microwave.
Yummy.
Up to the microwave.
Yep. I'm making a couple packages of ramen noodles tonight for a light dinner. Okay. Oh, hey. And your TX10, I charged the battery. Your TX10 battery is nice and charged. What you doing, crazy cat? Coming up in the tree again, huh? Oh, he sees something interesting. Oh goodness, what are you going to do now? Just don't get stuck. Okay? Jump out. All right. Okay, show me what's so interesting. Come on. What's going on? What is it? What? You gonna jump back up there? Just don't get stuck. What is it? That's so interesting, huh? The grass looks like hay, doesn't it? Oh, you hear the dog barking, huh? What are you gonna do? What is it? Interesting cloud formations today. They don't look like thunderheads or anything, but they do look like they want to rain. I'm trying to drive here and film at the same time. Not the best thing to be doing, but as soon as I can get to a good stoplight here, I'll show you a little bit more of a close-up. Actually, I'll just... Okay, stoplight, and of course they left their mailbox open again. They always do that. I don't know. Maybe they're brain dead. Let's see. Yeah, see, these here look like they got a little bit of moisture in it. They look like they want to rain, but nothing's happening. Almost a lot like a... You can see it in the distance. Okay, back over here. Ooh, smells good. Almost locked my keys in. I thought I did. Keys. Where are my keys? Oh, goodness sakes. Here's my keys. Oh, that was close. Brain fart. Okay. This only smells good. Thought I got past that home. Oh, anyway, we're back over here. Westlake Ace Hardware. Step in water. And let's go find some paint. Okay, see that car there? He played it with his hydraulics. Come on, do a tilt and turn. Do a tilt and turn. There you go. You're funny. God, that's so old.